Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create a Google form. So open your Google Chrome browser, and once it is opened, at the top right corner, you need to sign in. And once you are done with the sign in, click on these dots where we have Google Apps. And then we need to scroll down. And here you will find forms. So we are looking for forms right here in the purple color, and I will click on that. Now, once you do that, you will see a window like this where you have blank and other templates. So if we go to the template gallery, you will find you have party invitation, t-shirt sign up, contact information like that. And here we have this event registration, event feedback, order form, job application, many things right here. Now, what I would recommend, if you find the forms right here, you can select any of it and then we can edit it. However, we will go with the blank form, and it is really very easy and very convenient to do so. All right, so I'll click on blank form, and here we have this untitled form. So here we can mention the company name. I'll mention, or let's say school name or anything. I'll just mention company. And here the description, you can mention anything right here, and you can customize with bold, italic, whatever you feel like. Now here we have this question, and here I can mention, like I can type name, and name shouldn't be the multiple choice. Now once you click here, you will get a lot of options. Now since it's a name, it should not have multiple choice, it should have the short answer, right? So I'll click on short answer. And is it required to fill the answer? I can do it with this required. So if someone doesn't fill the name, the form will not be filled. So this is good, and you can also do that. Now here we have this plus sign, and I will click on that. Here you can mention email like this, and it should also be the short answer, and you can make it required. It is up to you. And again, we will mention like what are your hobbies like this, and hobbies should have short, or if you wish, you can make it paragraph with a long answer. It's required, you can make it like this. So once you're done with these questions, you can make it multiple choice, check box as well, drop down like that as well, multiple choice as well. I'll give an option laptop, other, I'll mention PC like this. So this should be the multiple choice. Like now at the top right corner, we have this responses. Here you can click on accepting responses, and we can go to settings, make this a quiz presentation. And here at the very top, we need to customize as well. So we can click on customize theme, and here you can change the header image. I'll click on, and here I'll click on like birthday, let's say, and I'll click on insert. So you will see a change right here. So since I have changed the header, I can also change the color of the form like this. All right. And once you are done, you can send it, and you have an option to create a copy. You can also print it, and you can get a link as well. So when I click on send, it gives us an option to send via email, or we can create a link and we can shorten the URL, and then we can mail it to the people you want to. So this is how you can create Google Forms. Please do let me know in the comment section if you have successfully created a Google form, and if you find this tutorial helpful, and if this video has given you a value, please hit the like and subscribe, and do share, and please do let me know in the comment section as well. It will really motivate me. I'll see you in the next video. And guys, only 2% people subscribe, which is very less. So out of 100%, out of those 100%, only 2% people subscribe. So please do consider subscribing the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Take care, guys.